Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting State. For those new to the channel, here's my beautiful 2017 Harley Davidson Roadster XL 1200 CX Cafe Racer. And if you aren't new to the channel, guys, family, welcome back. It's time to roll. It's a beautiful freaking day. Oh man, and I say that because it's October, and I love October because of Halloween, the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas, presents are good and all, but man, give me the scary stuff. I like going to our local Busch Gardens and checking that out. I love the hollow screen they have, all the little scary monsters and stuff. Which way do I want to go? I want to go left, I want to go right. I'm gonna let this car go. Anyways, no, I love everything about Halloween, trick-or-treating stuff, even though I'm yeah, too old for that. But I just love the scary stuff. I love going and checking out the local attractions, you know, the haunted houses, mazes, and all that good stuff. Scary movies on TV. Woo! Oh yeah. Anyways, so I love scary stuff, but there's one thing that does scare me, and that is motorcycle maintenance. Riding these things, tons of fun, costs tons of money too. You gotta maintain your ride. So with that said, I'm letting you guys know I started a fans only page, or OnlyFans, whatever it is. I started out. You can see my nudes up there, so head on over there, check those out, because I got parts to pay for. But no, seriously, yeah, I ain't doing that stuff. Ain't nobody want to see that mess. Anyways, so yeah, I love Halloween. I love the weather. It's like perfect. Hold on, my turns again. And yeah. Anyways, so I love it. Love Halloween. Everything about it. Scary. You know, when the local Halloween stores open up with all the masks and stuff, I gotta run in there and go check them out. The weather's perfect. Like, it's still warm enough for me to just pimp it out here in a t-shirt. So enjoying that. And like, it's not hot, I'm not sweating, I'm just cruising. Nice little chill breeze, keep me going. You saw me coming. Anyways, so motorcycle maintenance, definitely a plus. And when it comes to motorcycle maintenance, you're either the kind of person who turns your own wrench and take care of your own ride, or you're the type of person who you want to trust a local shop, garage, you know. So, and if you ride a Harley, you're either, hey, I'm going to take my bike to the Harley Davidson dealership because they sell them, well, they make them, they sell them, so they should know how to work on them and have the right tools to work on them. So that's always an option. A little pricey, but I kind of feel with like dealerships, at least if you take your bike to a dealership, that dealership has someone to answer to. So they're more inclined, in my opinion, to make sure they do you right, if you get what I'm saying. Whereas a local small shop, and I'm not hating, but you know, a local small shop, they're their own boss. The only one they answer to is themselves. So you gotta hope that that local shop has good integrity. And I can tell you from personal experience, finding local shops around here with good integrity, nah. And because since I started doing the YouTube thing, I've had my experiences with working with local smaller shops. And the cool thing about it is, I mean, have I really had my bike worked on there though? No. But because I was like, you know, doing video and, you know, doing little Facebook pictures and stuff behind the scenes at these local shops, I was able to get in close. And what they fail to realize is, you know, I'm hanging out there every day pretty much, getting video, doing content, and I'm building a relationship with them, good or bad. So I'm learning, and these people talk. And what they fail to realize is the camera's always rolling. So I have plenty of footage on that. I've learned a lot of lessons, behind the scenes things, and I can just say from personal experience, local small shops I don't really trust around here, at least. Now, you can leave a comment and tell me, do you trust, you know, do you trust local small shops, or do you go to the big Harley store to get your bike, you know, worked on, maintained, serviced, and all that good stuff? So leave a comment, let me know. And with that said, also make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, enjoy the family. Make sure you head over to our Facebook page and check out all the cool content over there, because I like, you know, photography and all that other good stuff. So I post other good content over that way. But yeah, I mean, me personally, like I said, Harley Davidson dealership be a little pricey, but they have someone ultimately to answer to if they mess up. And local small shops, not so much. You, like I said, you just have to depend on their integrity, or you take your own responsibility and go pick up a manual and start turning wrenches yourself. And talk about scary stuff, that could be scary to someone new. So I do want to make sure I'm working on trying to get the money together so I can go ahead and buy my own lift to put in my garage. And I want to start doing, you know, my own like repairs and all that stuff, and I want to, you know, do videos on that for you guys, because the reason I want to do that is, yes, I'm mechanically inclined. Have I worked on many motorcycles? No. I could probably change the battery on here, oil, stuff like that, but you know, when it comes down to the, hey man, I'm having an issue, trying to figure it out, problem solve, and work on my own stuff, I want to do it. So I'm definitely gonna be buying a manual, you know, torque wrench. I need to get one of those because it's definitely needed, and just getting the right supplies, getting it going. And then, like I said, I'm pretty new to this stuff, and I want to learn. And through my videos, I hope you guys who don't have a lot of confidence in yourself as far as, you know, working on your own vehicle, I want you to watch my video and be like, hey, this guy's doing it, and am I gonna mess up? More than likely. Is it probably gonna be costly? Probably. But you know, everybody starts somewhere. So if you want to start learning, the best way to do it is, I'm more of a hands-on guy anyway, so the best way to do it is pick up that wrench, pick up that manual, and just start learning. You know, especially if you have like a used bike or something you bought. I can understand if you bought a brand new bike, you'd be like, that's how I was with this. I bought this brand new, super nervous to even touch anything on it. But now that it's gotten older, got miles on it, I'm more comfortable, like, okay, doing this, doing that. And with each repair that you do, or each little service you do, you build that much more confidence in yourself. And you know, just like with riding, like when you buy the bike and you get out there on the two wheels, you start off a little, you know, learning the controls and all that stuff. And then you finally get out there on two wheels, man, and the next thing you know, man, you're hogging corners and stunting and all that good stuff, I guess. I mean, but just, so, long story short, I want to start, like I said, doing videos on servicing my bike to help influence you guys to hopefully, you know, get out there and turn that wrench yourself, especially with some of you guys who can't afford to go and pay someone else to fix on your bike. So, I found a nice little groove in the road. So with that said, that's what I'm gonna start doing. That's kind of my topic of the day. And man, I'm just enjoying this ride. Now, I'm hoping this motherfucker goes so I can get in front of this truck. We gone. Okay, look Look at this beautiful sunset. God bless Virginia. Oh man. So I've rambled on for my time period again, and I hope you enjoyed this video, this motovlog. I hope you hit that subscribe button. I'll say it again, please hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow, help the family grow. And with that, every time you guys subscribe, share, like, hit that little notification bell, it grows. I'm able to do more stuff. Every time you watch a video, especially, it brings me that much closer to be like, hey, I can go do this, or I can do that. So I'm just trying my best, guys. I've only been doing it for a short time, especially this motovlog thing, and I'm trying my best, and I hope you like what I'm doing. And I definitely love hearing from you. I love the comments and everything. It's a really good feeling, especially knowing that, you know, it's from people all over the world. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys 100%. So once again, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and hey, we're gonna ride all year long, guys. Let's do it. Ride safe. Catch y'all next time. Woo-hoo. Oh man.